provider to try to reduce your electric bill.
Here's News 12 New Jersey's Carla Bardina with some tips to help you shop around for the best deal. She has our top story this half hour.
You spend a lot of money every year on electricity.
Brand says people need to check out the price to compare line of their bill to see if the third-party companies are cheaper per kilowatt. Often, she says, a guaranteed rate that floats under the wholesale price is best. Fixed rates are more of a gamble since it's hard to predict if energy costs will go up or down. Brand says people should also check into the length of the contract and if there are any hidden fees, like cost to cancel service, fees to terminate the contract early, or a connection fee. The third-party provider will only supply electricity, not deliver it. Delivery will still come from the wires of your utility company. The Board of Public Utilities says switching your supply company will in no way impact the safety or reliability of your service. In Trenton, Carla Bardina, News 12, New Jersey.
Just an option so you can save.
I don't think people should look at this as a burden or something they have to do. It's an opportunity that they can exercise if they choose to do so and hopefully save some money.
Now, people in New Jersey, Delaware, and western parts of Pennsylvania already have the ability to comparison shop for electricity. This expands to all of Pennsylvania in January.
What industry do you think is going to produce the next Bill Gates?
I'd say there are a few other industries that will compete for being exciting in the decades ahead. The energy business, some approach will provide cheaper energy that's environmentally friendly. And there's a lot of science, a lot of business. It's a global thing. There'll be some great careers there.